The UBC Okanagan Wilden Living Lab project is a pioneering, applied, and collaborative research project that will take home building innovations from the lab into a real-world residential housing environment. With the generous support of Blink Development, the developer of Wilden, along with a grant from the Natural Sciences and Engineering Research Council of Canada, UBC's Okanagan School of Engineering teamed up with Wilden, Authentic Homes, Geotility, Okanagan College, Fortis BC, Honeywell, and numerous industry suppliers. Canadian homeowners are increasingly concerned about energy costs and issues of sustainability. Leadership in the research and development of efficient, sustainable, clean energy solutions requires a focus on energy-efficient buildings, which maximize efficiency while minimizing environmental impact. Energy-efficient, smart homes represent the future of habitation. This groundbreaking initiative will investigate and demonstrate the potential efficiencies and benefits of emerging building technologies. Since energy usage is dynamic and largely dependent on the dweller's behavior, investigating the performance of newly developed construction material and practices scientifically requires a living laboratory. So, we're building two similar homes in the Wilden community. One will be the home of today, and one will be the home of tomorrow.
We were looking for a possibility to take the next step in establishing even more renewable energies here in Wilden. UBCO and Wilden were working towards a common goal to actually bring the housing industry forward more towards a more energy efficient residential building. Within the planning phase, we came to the point that we need two homes, we need a reference home, and we need the home of tomorrow, which is the super energy efficient home.
When this project came to us, we thought it is an excellent project where the local college, university, industries work together and make something big that will eventually help the whole industries. The goal of this project is to understand the product efficiency that you have in the market in terms of energy efficiency, so that at the end the users can make informed decision of choosing a product and make the house more energy efficient. In terms of research component, it has also very high value because we are monitoring two houses, home of today, conventional construction, as well as home of tomorrow, which is advanced construction, where we will be able to suggest, by observing the performance of those two houses, recommend to the code what are the changes that should be actually applied that could make our houses or our construction more energy efficient.
Authentic Homes recommended a partnership with the Okanagan College Trades program to aid in the construction of the homes. The students would build the home of today using today's standard building codes, and the home of tomorrow would provide them with the unique opportunity to work with new energy-efficient materials that exceeded today's building codes. The home of tomorrow will be outfitted with industry-leading triple-pane windows, a geothermal heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system, an electric water heater with de-superheater, and solar technology.
We have put varieties of sensors in both houses. For example, temperature sensors are put on the inside and outside of the wall. We can measure wind, we can measure humidity, we can measure the current being used in the house. All the energies are being produced and all the energies being used, we are real-time monitoring. So the data being generated, they are wirelessly sent to the UBC server and we are receiving it, and then we are analyzing those data.
We have now set the stage for the experiment. However, the research undertaking takes time. So while we monitor the sensors and wait for the results of our research to come to light, Wilden will seek out buyers for these new homes, ones willing to take part in a valuable real-world experiment.
To this day, we have already received a lot of attention. We had great coverage all over the media, locally and regionally. Canadian Home Builders Association here in the Okanagan has helped us with getting this project recognized and building a name for this project out there. We have entered the Wilden Living Lab and the Home of Tomorrow in 4 categories for the Tommies, which is the Home Builders Award for the Okanagan. We're very happy that we won 1 gold and 4 silver Tommies for the 4 categories that we entered this project in. The best case scenario that I hope will happen is that with this project we will prove that investing the extra money in your home for more energy efficiency and for greener living will actually be rewarded on your energy bills. And we want to show people how to easily get there.
The desired outcome from this particular project will be we will have a sophisticated model which can actually let the users or the builders choose from a pool of different types of products. If you provide the plan, elevation and everything, it will also suggest you what kind of material you can choose to make it more energy efficient.
Researchers in UBC's Okanagan School of Engineering continue to conduct pioneering investigations in their labs and other real-world environments while seeking out valuable partnerships with community stakeholders. Their diverse efforts are leading to new discoveries, the development of technologies and techniques for improving efficiencies, and promotion of sustainability. Together, we can expand our horizons and move towards enlightening futures.